fund accountants working in private equity, venture capital, real estate, fund of funds, and LPs and asset allocators face increasing transaction complexity, expanded fund structures, compressed deadlines, and tighter staffing budgets. In today's fast-paced financial market, accounting teams that aren't using sophisticated financial operations software risk falling behind rigid reporting schedules. You need a feature-rich general ledger platform that can amplify your fund accounting and reporting capabilities. Simplify your financial operations with Dynamo Accounting. This powerful solution can help you produce financial statements with exceptional efficiency, flexibility, and visibility. Our configurable and flexible solution captures data quickly and accurately, streamlines quarterly reporting, and automates complex partnership allocations. With an industry-leading transparent reporting layer powered by Excel, you can easily access and review your data and validate or modify calculations as needed. Dynamo Accounting automates complex transactions, reducing the time required for processing, reviews, and audits. Dashboards and reporting tools provide full fund visibility. Profile-level data and key metrics support analysis of specific funds. Comparative trial balance reports streamline analysis and reporting capabilities. Meet your unique needs by choosing from our reporting library and configuring the reports yourself. Avoid back and forth with vendors, reduce human error, and lower your cost of ownership. A new paradigm for getting work done. Dynamo Accounting delivers an all-in-one solution that works perfectly with our portfolio monitoring and valuation, CRM, portal, and investor relations features. Book your Dynamo demo today.